Today, we're diving into the exciting world of video editing powered by artificial intelligence. I'm Jugaar expert, and in this video, we'll be exploring the AI features of one of the most popular video editing tool. A video editor that has all AI and normal video editing features. Whether you want to generate video from prompt or want to extract text from video, it can do all in one click. Without wasting time, let's get started. This AI video editor is Wondershare Filmora. Filmora has always been a go-to choice for many content creators. And with its recent advancements in AI technology, it's taking video editing to a whole new level. Let's check out some of the key AI features that make Filmora stand out. Filmora 13
is a great option for beginners and intermediate users. It has a user-friendly interface and a wide range of features, including AI Smart Cutout, Auto Reframe, Transitions, Title and many video effects.
They are AI Power Text Editing, AI Thumbnail Generator, AI Masking, AI Vocal Removal, Super Slow Motion, Playback Speed Shortcut, Keyframe Graph Editor and more. AI Text to Video Generator. This is one of the most important features of Filmora 13. Here you can type the script of your video, you can write any story or video script you want and it will create a video for you. After writing text, select the language of your video, then select aspect ratio. I will go with 16:9. Select the voice and you are done. As you can see that our video has been created. In this way you can use this feature. AI Music Generator. Go on the audio section, there is new option AI Music, inside it click on Tool option, and Start. Here you can create your own music, select the mood you want for music. Select the music type, and number of copies that you want. It will provide you with music you want. AI Vocal Removal. It is one of best feature of Filmora 13, you separate audio and background music from single song clip. Double-click on the music clip, select AI Music Removal option, this process will start and will be completed shortly. Now audio and background music is separated. Filmora 12 does not have this feature. AI Copilot. It is personal assistant in Filmora. You can ask any question related to video editing or about Filmora. Keyframe Graph Editor. To use this feature, double-click on the video on timeline, you will see the keyframe panel, click on it, and inside you will find Keyframe Graph Editor. With this feature you can easily find keyframe of any object, you can also randomly adjust it. VFX Text. In Filmora 13, there is new feature VFX Text. Here you will find a lot of visually appealing and captivating texts. You can download and use them. Silence Detection. Open Silence Detection and select your video, after that click on Start. Best part is that we don't have to remove silent parts of the video manually, it will remove all silent parts in our video in one click. As you can see, it has marked cuts in our video and removed all silent parts from it. Speech to Text. This AI feature is amazing, you can easily transcribe your entire video. For this, select the video which you want to transcribe, then select Speech to Text, click OK and you are done. Conclusion. Is Filmora better than other AI tools? Yes, it is better than others, because it provides almost all AI features under single platform. One thing you have to compromise is that it is paid software, you have to purchase in order to use it, otherwise cracked version of the software is also available. But it is safe to use original version. If you have any question, let me know in comments section. If this video helps you, then like, share and subscribe to Jugaar Expert for more informative and helpful videos. Thanks for watching.